So y'all, we got some things happening in the garden. We got our strawberries that are starting to bloom here. We got some flowers on some little yellow flowers on the tomatoes over there, but I'll just take you through a quick look. The strawberries are just crushing it right now. You can see lots of expansion of new areas as far as the strawberries go. This is the Musk Melon. It's doing as it should here. I got some weeding to do, unfortunately, but got the watermelons going pretty good, just as far as looking healthy goes. Cucumbers over this way looking real sharp. Getting some good expansion on this one here. I'm starting to reach out, starting to crawl out, so that's great. Carrots are exploding. Lots of new stems and leaves on the carrots, which is super. And then the corn, we got some of the corn that's really growing. This is looking great. You know, the old adage used to be knee-high by 4th of July. I don't know, you can't see that so great, but we're knee-high already, so that's fantastic. We're really cruising on the corn. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, we got the tomatoes that are starting to flower here. Cherry tomatoes also starting to get some flowers. You can see a bit happening there. Those are going to start to explode as it gets hotter. Tomatoes just take off once the heat happens. And then over here we got our peppers. You see a little pepper. Look at that baby pepper. We're rocking it with the baby pepper there. These are the orange blaze peppers. So we got our little baby pepper happening. Lots of flowering happening on the peppers. So we're going to be crushing it here pretty soon, gang. So a nice little update for you. We'll just keep these rocking. We'll compile it all at the end, but I'll try to send these out one at a time. So this is DIY with Tag, your boy TAG here. So I appreciate y'all hanging out, and I'll keep the updates coming.